Are your customer messages getting lost in the noise? Are you struggling to drive meaningful engagement with traditional SMS? In today's competitive market, effective communication is crucial for business success. Introducing JioCX RCS, the solution to transform your customer interactions. We empower you to create engaging, interactive experiences that drive real results using carousels, videos, and quick replies. You can deliver dynamic, interactive content directly within your messages, capturing attention and boosting response rates, making messages more engaging. Your customers receive RCS messages directly in their SMS inbox without the need to download any additional applications, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. JioCX RCS ensures seamless delivery and faster service, with our fallback to SMS ensures seamless communication with users who are not RCS enabled, guaranteeing no customer is left out. Plus, detailed analytics provide valuable insights into campaign performance, allowing you to optimize your strategy and maximize ROI. With JioCX RCS, you can finally make every message count and drive meaningful engagement with your customers. Visit our website to request a personalized demo and see how JioCX RCS can transform your customer communication.